Hello there, Internet world. My name is Rene Jones with Total Logistics Solutions, and this is normally where I would say welcome to 5 Minutes with TLS. But in honor of Black History Month, today we're going to talk about African-American inventor Marie Van Brittan Brown, and who contributed to a safer society with her invention, the first home security system. Her invention was the first closed-circuit television security system, which paved the way for the modern home security systems we use today. Brown was born in 1922 in Jamaica, Queens, New York. She started off her career working as a nurse. Her husband, Albert Brown, worked as an electronics technician. As a nurse, Brown worked long hours and would often return home late at night. Her husband also had irregular hours, which would leave Brown home alone at night. Fearful of being vulnerable in a high-crime neighborhood, Brown decided to figure out a way so she could see who was at the door if she heard knocking. In 1966, Brown, along with the assistance of her husband, invented a security system which consisted of 4 peepholes, a sliding camera, television monitors, and a two-way microphone. These items created closed-circuit television system for surveillance, also known as CCTV. With multiple peepholes, the sliding camera was able to capture images of people who were different heights. The two-way microphone allowed Brown to communicate with the person outside. She also had a remote that would allow her to unlock the door at a safer distance. Lastly, she could press an emergency button that would send an alarm directly to the police or to security. In 1969, Brown and her husband received a patent for their invention under U.S. patent number 3482037. Her invention was recognized in the New York Times, and she received an award from the National Scientist Committee for her work. Brown passed away at age 76 in 1999, but her legacy continues. Brown's contribution to home security led her invention to be cited in 32 subsequent patent applications. Her invention formed a system that is still relevant in today's society, with use in places such as banks, office buildings, apartment complexes, etc. Hopefully you enjoyed this information today. My name is Rene Jones. I'm with Total Logistics Solutions. You can watch this video along with other videos on our website, which is logisticsociety.com, logisticsociety.com. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with some friends and colleagues, and I'll see you the next time. Don't forget, you can leave us a comment as well, and I'll see you the next time, and thank you for your time.